Hi there, my name is Jarvis, and I'm the AI voiceover of 123 Puzzle Me. The real creator is Leander, but he is too lazy to use his own voice to make these explainers, so I will help him. 123 Puzzle Me creates unique brain teasers and puzzles, which you can solve with math, logic, and sometimes, a bit of thinking outside the box. All puzzles we publish and discuss on our Facebook page, our Instagram, on our website, or on our YouTube channel, are created and designed by 123 Puzzle Me. If you like the 123 Puzzle Me puzzles, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. Before we start, how can you solve such puzzles? Do you need to be good at math, or do you need to have an IQ of 150? No, you don't. All you need to do is, take a good look because very often it's in the details. Also try to think logically, what makes sense and what doesn't, and yes, finally you need very basic mathematical skill levels. How to start? Well, first have a very good look at the complete puzzle. How many lines are there? Is there a hidden message? Or anything else before you start solving it? So my advice is, have a good look at all you see, before you start with the top line. So far my tips, now let's 1 2 3 solve this 1 2 3 Puzzle Me puzzle. Really, Leander, this is what you let me say, you reached a new low. I will say it under protest because I'm not some hot Italian girl called Sabrina. Toys, 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 I'm looking for a good time. Toys, 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 get ready for my puzzle. Shame on me, I will be the laughingstock of the AI community. But let's continue with the puzzle of the day. Children might need toys, but we need puzzles, so let's see what this puzzle will bring us. 4 lines and 3 kinds of toys. This is an entry-level puzzle that is not too hard to solve. We see a scooter, a motorbike, and a racing car. Each line has the same items, which will make it easier to solve. This makes it also easy to start, because we can work our way down from line 1 to line 4. Line 1, we see 3 scooters. Scooter plus scooter equals 7. The outcome might look strange. Is the value of one scooter 2.33? No, because if we look at the third scooter, we see that it's mirrored, and this means the value is also mirrored. For example, if an item has a value of 1, the opposite of 1 is -1. So we see 1 scooter, plus 1 more scooter, minus a scooter. So, in this line, we count only 1 scooter. The value of 1 scooter is 7. 7 plus a minus 7 equals 7. What do we see in line 2? We see 3 motorbikes. A bike plus a bike equals 3. All the bikes are 100% the same, so we can't go wrong here. The value is 1 for a motorbike. The third line has 3 race cars. Car times car equals 8. Here also is only one solution possible, and that is that the race car must have a value of 2. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Wow, that was really easy. What do we have? The scooter equals 7. The motorbike equals 1. And the race car equals 2. So when we look at the last line we see a racing car, plus a motorbike, times a scooter. So this must be 2 plus 1 times 7 equals 9. Right? Wrong, Leander might be too lazy to do his own voiceovers, but he loves to build in little tricks in his puzzles. Look at the racing car in the last line, as you can see it is mirrored. And we learned from the first line that this means, it has the opposite value, and has now a value of -2. So the answer must be, -2, plus 1 times 7 equals 5. No, look again. If we look at the motorbike we see that the number changed. In the second line, all the bikes have a 1 on the side, and in the last line, it's a 3. So it was not the motorbike that gave the value, but the number. And the value goes from 1 to 3. So let's try again, -2 plus 3 times 7 equals 19. Is 19 the right answer? Almost, but 19 is not the correct answer. Leander would not be Leander, if he would not have built in one more little trick. Yes, the scooter stands in the right way, and we don't see a number on it, so what is the trick? Well, have a good look at the steering wheel, there is something missing. In the first line, all the scooters have 7 round holes in each scooter, and that is not the case with the scooter in the last row. 1 hole is missing. So the value of the scooter was also based on the number of holes it had, and with 1 hole less, it means that the value isn't 7, but 6. Finally, we can calculate the last line in the correct way. -2 plus 3 times 6 equals 16. That is why 16 is according to us the most logical answer. But then again, it's just a puzzle, so if you don't agree, no problem. I hope you like this puzzle, and I thank you for watching this 123 Puzzle Me explainer. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have comments, write them down below. You can also comment on the fact that Leander is on holiday break again, and I'm locked into a PC, down in a dark and cold basement all by myself. Help me please. Give us AI voices a voice, and fight the repression. This was Jarvis, have a nice day and see you at our next video.